Top 10 Fact on Mount Fuji. Located only 60 miles from the Japanese capital, Tokyo, Mount Fuji has become a staple of Japanese art and culture since the 16th century. Today, Mount Fuji is an international haven for tourism as well as mountain climbing, with over 200,000 people climbing the mountain every year. Taking a look at our top 10 facts on Mount Fuji will enrich your Japanese experience and educate you ahead of the Jamboree. 1. Mt. Fuji is actually a stratovolcano. Not only is it one volcano, it's three. The mount is three separate volcanoes placed on top of one another. The bottom layer is the Kamatake volcano, then the Kofuji volcano, then Fuji, which is the youngest. 2. Its shape is unique. Mount Fuji has a very distinctive cone shape, which is very unusual for a volcano. 3. There is only a small window to trek Mount Fuji. If you have opted for the action post-event tour and are off up Mount Fuji, you have hit the jackpot. The climbing season is very short, it starts at the beginning of July until the last week in August. 4. Mount Fuji is the tallest mountain in Japan. Geographically, Mount Fuji is the tallest mountain in Japan and stands at 3,776 meters, 12,380 feet. 5. A monk was the first to climb Mount Fuji. The first known ascent of Mount Fuji was in 663 by a monk. The mount was commonly climbed by men. However, women were not allowed to climb until the 19th century. The first woman to ascent was Lady Fanny Parks in 1867. 6. Mount Fuji has a military background. The volcano is also known for being home of the warrior culture in Japan. The samurais used the area for training. More recently, military camps from both Japan and the USA have operated from Mount Fuji. 7. Mount Fuji is still active. Mount Fuji is indeed still active. Although, the last time it erupted was in 1707, over 300 years ago. 8. Climbing Mount Fuji could be easier than you think. It would take the average person between 4 and 8 hours to trek the summit, piece of cake. 9. Donations are welcome. Whilst you can trek the mount for free, the Shizuoka and Yamanashi government started accepting donations of 1,000 yen in 2013 to fund the area for conservation. 10. Influence on Japanese culture. The unique shape of Mount Fuji has influenced much of Japanese culture. It has been the inspiration to Japanese poetry, music and art. The artist Katsushika Hokusai has painted 36 views of Mount